Hello, in this video we're doing about all my animals I have here. You see, like here I have a sugar glider.
Yeah.
And here I have all my animals. If you see close it, there's another one here.
Mm-hmm.
And here we have course. A little course. And we have a mantis. And here we have a bird. Like you see, he's a little bit mean. He bites.
What type of bird is it?
It's like a cockatoo. A cockatoo.
Uh-huh.
And well, they're on them. But we're gonna talk a little bit on them. First, we're gonna start with the course. The course are a fish who can be really long, and he can be like here to over here. Some course be like that long. And we have here 2 course more. We buy them in the pet store, and we like them online. And now we're gonna talk about the geckos. The geckos are a type like a chameleon, but they're not a chameleon. They can change to colors and like you see.
Mm-hmm.
And maybe today we can make a video in the night of catching crickets for the geckos.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And we have 2. For real, we have 3. But one is not it.
Well, you have 2
Yeah, we
anoles.
got one anole.
Mm-hmm.
We have 2 anoles. But one we buy them in the pet store, and one I got it with the and he bites.
Okay. Why don't you show Alvin what Alvin eats?
Oh, of course. Look. It eats this.
Now, what are those? Show it. Let me see.
Yeah.
What is it?
There's what is it called?
Mealworms.
Oh, there are mealworms.
Okay.
Look, he's gonna eat it. He's eating it. Look.
He loves those, huh?
Yeah, they love. He loves.
Wow.
And here we have the praying mantis eating. Like, see, this one is eating.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's true.
And the cockatoo. Now we're gonna give him fruit. This is his fruit. He eat bird fruit.
Now, how old is the cockatoo?
I think is 100 years.
Oh yeah, he's 100 years old.
Yeah.
Wow.
I think so.
He looks like it.
Look, do you see?
Yeah.
Oh, he fell right out. It's okay. I can give him. And we're gonna give him another one because you see, like, he not eat it. Look. Now he eating it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he just fell out. Oh, now we will him, but we're gonna talk him. But of him and this. They bite like on every animal. You see, he bite me a little bit.
Yeah.
And they balance. And they jump. They jump really high.
Let's see.
Okay. But he not can jump. He can go in this, or he can go a little bit. You see?
And where's he from?
He's from for Australia.
From what?
From Australia.
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 Oh, okay.
Where are the koalas and the... See? Now we're gonna see if he can jump to me in a tree. You wanna see?
Probably not, because what if he goes up the tree?
No, but in a little one.
Okay. He doesn't really like it, huh?
Yeah, he likes it.
Oh, yeah?
You okay?
See, he doesn't like it. All right.
Alright. So that's the video of today. Maybe in a little bit we can make another one. Kaleb came in.